Welcome back in. Another chilly feeling evening, but not as cold this weekend with high temperatures near 40, and the cloud cover is going to be increasing. We have a beautiful look at the skyline there just moments after sunset. 23 degrees right now, so bundle up for those dinner plans and evening activities. Now we're actually starting to officially gain daylight back in the evenings. Even though we're about a week away from the winter solstice, our sunset time now getting later at 5:04 p.m. and just yesterday we were at 5:03. So we gained back that daylight in the evenings, even though the overall length of day is still continuing to shrink until we hit the winter solstice. By the end of December, sunset time back to 5:13 p.m. Bright skies on satellite right now. We do have some cloud cover that's moving in from the west, and that is going to start to fill the sky for your days tomorrow. Temperature-wise, some spots to the north are down to the teens, such as Monroe as well as Hillsdale, that has just dropped to the 18-degree mark. Winds, not too bad. It was a fairly still day, and our current wind gusts are all in the single digits on that map. Quite a bit calmer than yesterday, right? Increasing clouds for your Saturday. Winds are going to be out of the east at 5 to 15 miles per hour. It is going to be a milder day, but not quite as bright as it was today. The hour-by-hour forecast does show you a chilly morning. By the afternoon, though, temperatures rebounding to the upper 30s to near 40 degrees to the south, and that is a sign of a warmer weekend, but also a rainy weekend, especially on Sunday with returning rain showers and over half an inch of rain likely. Saturday is the pick day for outdoor activities, and Sunday brings us rainy weather, especially for the first half of the day. That hour-by-hour forecast shows you a soggy Sunday morning. Rainfall moves off to the east of I-75 into the afternoon. Could see a few isolated lingering showers throughout the second half of the day, but overall most of Sunday evening looks dry. That being said, another rain chance moves in on Monday. How much rain to expect? Sunday alone is likely to bring us a half an inch or so of rainfall, but I just advanced it through Monday, and some of the latest data shows an inch to even an inch and a half west and south of Toledo. This is Sunday and Monday combined. Could be a decent amount of mud when all is said and done and we get through a couple days of soggy weather. It'll be a mild day Monday with that rain, with dry weather returning Tuesday, and a couple of dry days are expected through the middle of the week. Friday into Saturday, we could see some isolated flurries and snow showers, and next weekend officially kicks off the winter season with the winter solstice and the first day of winter moving on in. Kaylee?
That 54 not looking too bad here on Monday,
gonna
though.
feel a little more like springtime. It was so cold yesterday, cold today, but not as windy, and I think the wind really made a difference.
I had all those hand warmers in my pockets from yesterday. I was finding them all over the place.
Yeah, I put some in my shoes to warm up the toes, too. It works both ways, I guess.
Well, we won't need them for Monday.
No, gonna be a warm one.
All right, thanks, John.